would you mind, let's walk through some examples on when an architect would or would not be needed. Does that work?
That's a great question, Tom. So a lot of times people call me and I tell them, well, if you do this, this, and this, you probably won't need my services. So I'm setting them up for a future project. So the most important part is to see if we can avoid, the delay in getting to whatever you're trying to get done, right? So specifically, there are certain cases where an architect is not required, where all you're doing is replacing some drywall or fixing a violation where it involves, replacing the masonry. These are all things that if you have the time and, the patience, you could figure it out yourself and go to City Hall and get this information and get an easy permit, provided you have a good contractor reference. Now, what happens typically is people try to skirt the system by saying, well, I want to get an easy permit, but then I'm going to move some walls. Well, guess what? As soon as you move a wall, that is no longer under the scope of an easy permit. Now you need drawings because you've changed something about the project. So I would be very careful, if you're not sure, always ask. And one of the easiest questions you can ask is there a way I can accomplish this without drawings? And then the architect will, let you know one way or the other, and then tell you what is the extent to which you can accomplish something without drawings.